Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dream Cars. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated launches in India's hatchback segment, the all-new 2026 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R. If you've been a fan of practical, affordable, and reliable cars, then you'll definitely want to stick around for this. The Wagon R has been a household name in India for over 2 decades, and with the 2026 model, Maruti Suzuki has taken things to a whole new level. Let's start with the design. Gone are the boxy, utilitarian looks of the past. The new Wagon R sports a refreshed, modern design with sleeker headlights, a bold front grille, and sharper character lines running along the sides. It's still unmistakably a Wagon R, but with a more premium and stylish presence that's bound to turn heads. Moving inside, the 2026 Wagon R doesn't just aim to transport you, it wants you to enjoy the ride. The interior has been completely overhauled with a new dual-tone dashboard, a larger 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and even wireless charging in the top variants. The seats are more supportive, with improved cushioning, and the cabin feels airier thanks to the clever use of space and a slightly larger glass area. Under the hood, Maruti Suzuki offers the Wagon R with 2 engine options, a 1.0-liter petrol and a more powerful 1.2-liter petrol, both BS6 Phase 2 compliant. The engines are paired with either a 5-speed manual or an AMT gearbox, giving you the flexibility to choose what suits your driving style best. Fuel efficiency has always been a strong point for the Wagon R, and the 2026 model promises an impressive mileage of up to 25 kmpl, making it one of the most economical cars in its class. But it's not just about efficiency. The driving experience has also been refined. The steering feels more responsive, the suspension has been tuned for better comfort over rough roads, and NVH levels have been improved, making highway drives quieter and more relaxed. Safety-wise, Maruti hasn't cut corners. The 2026 Wagon R now comes with standard dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and even ESP and hill hold assist in higher variants. There's also a rear camera, which is a welcome addition for city driving and tight parking spots. One of the standout features of the new Wagon R is its versatility. Whether you're a young professional looking for a budget-friendly daily driver or a small family needing space and practicality, this car ticks a lot of boxes. With its tall boy design, getting in and out is effortless, and the rear seats offer ample legroom and headroom. Plus, the boot space has been increased to 350 liters, which is more than enough for your weekend getaways or shopping sprees. When it comes to technology, Maruti has finally caught up with the competition. The new Wagon R comes with connected car tech, allowing you to check vehicle stats, track your car, and even control certain features remotely through a smartphone app. It's great to see this level of tech trickling down to more affordable cars. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but sources suggest that the 2026 Wagon R will start around 6 lakhs ex-showroom, going up to around 8.5 lakhs for the top-end variant. Given the upgrades, that sounds like solid value for money, especially considering Maruti's trusted after-sales network and low maintenance costs. So, is the all-new 2026 Maruti Suzuki Wagon R worth the hype? If you're looking for a no-nonsense car that combines practicality, efficiency, a touch of modern tech, and a more stylish design than ever before, it absolutely deserves a spot on your shortlist. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite feature of the new Wagon R? And would you pick it over its rivals like the Tata Tiago or Hyundai Grand i10 Neos? Thanks for watching the Dream Cars. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews, news, and updates. See you in the next video.